My dear students, welcome back to our channel. Today topic is trigonometric ratios. Let's start now. Some important notations. Sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Sec minus theta is equal to sec theta. Cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Cos and sec are both are reciprocals. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sec minus theta is equal to sec theta. Remaining all are negative. Sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Here cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sec minus theta is only sec theta. That's enough. Now find the values of the following. Now first one, sine 210 degrees. This can be written as sine 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30 is 210. Okay, we consider 30 is theta. Sine 180 plus theta having in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine is negative. Sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta, minus sine 30. So, sine 30 value is 1 by 2. So, this value is minus 1 by 2. Now, second one, cos 585 degrees. Cos 540 plus 45. 540 can be written as 3 into 180, 540 plus 45. Cos 180 plus theta having in third quadrant. Cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. Minus cos 45 degrees. Here 3 is odd digit. Okay, you can get value minus. Okay, n plus having 3, that is odd digit, minus cos 45, that value is minus 1 by root 2. Now third one, tan 480 degrees. Tan 450 plus 30. Tan 5 into 90 plus 30. Tan 90 plus theta, that is equal to minus cot 30. Okay, here n value, n plus having 5, that is odd digit, you can get minus. Minus cot 30. Cot 30 value is root 3. That value is minus root 3. Now fourth one, sec 510 degrees. This can be written as sec 450 plus 60. Sec of 5 into 90 plus 60. Here sec 90 plus theta minus cosec theta. Theta means 60 degrees. 5 is odd digit. N plus having odd digit, you can get minus. Cosec 60 value is 2 by root 3. This value is minus 2 by root 3. Now fifth one, cosec 750 degrees. This can be written as cosec of 2 into 360, 720 plus 30. Okay, cosec 360 plus theta having in first quadrant, that value is positive. Cosec 30, here 2 is even digit, positive. Cosec 30. Cosec 30 value is 2. Now sixth one, cot 765 degrees. Cot 2 into 316 plus 45. Okay, cot 360 plus theta, cot theta, here even digit is there, positive came, 45. Cot 45 value is 1. That's enough. Find the values of the following. Now first one, tan 855 degrees. Now second one, sine 300 degrees. Third one, tan 1050 degrees. Fourth one, cos 510 degrees. You can do these problems by using above condition. That means you can follow previous video conditions. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Don't forget click on like button.